Meanwhile, Nkrumie says the antics of world record holder Tebogo of Botswana in winning the 100 meters at the World Athletics Under-20 Championships in Cali, Colombia, have only added fuel to his fire going forward. Nkrumie copped silver in a national junior record 10.02 seconds at the championships, losing out to a world record run of 9.91 seconds.
Well, when he looked across, it distracted me in the race, to be honest, because I was looking back at him, and that caused me to not finish as strong as I wanted to. But him doing that is making life more easy for me next year to break the world record.
And not having their world record sprint relay run ratified at the Carifta Games in April was only a slight stumbling block for the nation's junior women, according to lead-off leg runner Serena Cole. Cole also played her part in a Jamaican 1-2 for the 100.
The record at the Carifta Games, but we went out back to Cali and we performed as well as everybody expected, and we got back our world record. So it's a wonderful feeling.